Epic Universe, we in the building. Today we are at Epic Universe, one of the new parks here at Universal Studios. So let's go see what the Epic Universe is about. All right, y'all, so it's been an hour and 22 minutes. We're still waiting. I'll be looking at that too. Well, folks, here we are.
Four twos, come right this way. You're gonna go to the back. 4 seats. My 4 twos go to the back.
Hey guys, so we just got a Battle of the Ministry. We waited about 1 hour and like 48 minutes. It was not worth the wait at all, honestly. The ride, I rated 7 out of 10. What'd you rate it, Maury? 5 out of 10. You, Tamia? 4 out of 10. So yeah, it wasn't all of that. But Butterbeer. I love me a Butterbeer. So good. Hey guys, so we just got off of Hiccup and Wing Ladders. I really enjoyed that ride. It definitely was worth the wait. Tony, what'd you rate the ride?
It's great.
It was great. Mari, what'd you rate the ride? 10 out of 10. Tamia? She is a scaredy cat, y'all. In real life, she's a scaredy cat. Give them your rate.
0 out of 10.
0 out of 10. That's because she's a scaredy cat. But we really enjoyed it. So that was the second ride of the day. It was about a 50-minute wait. And yeah, it's really hot outside. We're going through the gift shop. And we're on to the next ride. Epic Universe, we in the building. Ride number 3. Hey guys, checking back in at Epic Universe. So we just got off our third ride of the day, which was the Dragon Racers Rally. It was a 45-minute wait, and it was literally like a 30-second ride. So it was kind of fun, but like it was short-lived. So, Maury, what you rate it?
It was boring.
Boring? 3 out of 10.
Yeah, 3 out of 10. It was not that long. It wasn't long. It was like a short ride. Like after it felt like 10 seconds and then it stopped.
It did feel like once I got excited, I wanted more. So
The wings didn't really turn.
the wings didn't turn. We didn't figure that out to the last minute, that when you get on the ride, you can move the wings and it flips you. So it's too short. But anyway, so we about to go eat now. We're gonna see what I think we're going to Pizza Moon. So let's go get into this food. So we just waited on a really long line at Pizza Moon. So be prepared to wait. Got the Epic Universal Cup, $2.25. Hey guys, so I'm here at Pizza Moon Pizza, something like that. The restaurant, Pizza Moon. And we're eating the actual Pizza Moon pizza. It's purple. This is like my fourth slice. I ate half the pizza pie myself. It's like my fourth slice. I ate half the pizza pie myself. And 10 out of 10.
Oh, you want to cool?
Yeah, we got the airport coming home. I was starving.
I don't know if I'm hungry, but this is so good.
She's going. I used to get a sandwich, something on my chip.
It's the time to be alive. It's the clouds for me. Okay. Hey guys, so we just got off the fourth ride of the day. It was called Monsters Unchained. The ride itself was pretty okay. It was little ups, dips, flips. I was kind of weirded out by the mummies and stuff like that. But the wait was like 25 minutes, so it was pretty quick. What should you rate the ride?
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm a roller coaster type of person too. But besides it not being a roller coaster, like what else you rate it?
I feel like there should be drop. There should be fast momentum. You know?
Yeah, I feel her. So I feel like you rated a lot of these rides at Epic pretty low.
They're not giving, like,
What was your favorite ride so far out of the 4?
it was a roller coaster. We went
Yes, I agree.
It was just it. Like,
We need another roller coaster.
I know that way is on.
Yeah, we need another roller coaster. So, all right, y'all. I'll check back in a few. Oh my god, guys, that was so fun.
You're in our world now. Good luck.
How was it?
I don't know. I was scared. It was
Out of
fun.
10.
I said 9.
I was 9. Okay, I was too busy trying to record the whole time. Tony, how was it?
scared. I was trying to hold your
You like it? OMG, y'all. So we at the Super Mario World. Look at this. I can't believe this is in America.
Also, make sure you watch the TV for instructions.
This looks crazy. Let's go, racer! This is nice. Tony didn't lie, y'all.
Anyhow, you see what I'm getting at, don't you? I need all of you to hop in these here mine carts and help the DK crew chase those
Oh, what's up, you guys? So it's like a few weeks later, and I just wanted to let you guys know about the Stardust ride in Orlando Epic Universe. So the Stardust ride is 10 out of 10, the best roller coaster there in the park. They have two sides. They have the green side and the yellow side. The green side is a way more intense, is way more much of a thrill. Your adrenaline is going to be on go. The yellow side, I actually like the yellow side as well. It also is intense, but it's not as intense as the green side. The yellow side has more, I feel like it has more twists and turns, and it goes up, but it's amazing. Like, it's literally the best ride in Epic Universe. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Zanae.Simone. I'll leave it right here. It'll also be down here in the corner somewhere. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.